The Lenovo 14W Gen 2 laptop is built on the familiar, user-friendly Windows 10 platform. You'll enjoy access to apps like Microsoft Teams that are driving the future of education, as teachers create an immersive digital experience in a classroom without walls. New Wi-Fi 6 capability provides a stable connection to minimize class disruption and help students collaborate and focus. AMD power and long battery life. Thanks to its AMD 3015E mobile processor, up to 8 GB of RAM, and up to 256 GB of storage, the Lenovo 14W is powerful enough to foster learning anywhere, anytime. Add to this a battery that lasts all day and more on a single charge, and you have a powerful teaching tool that goes all day, every day. From far away to face to face. The Lenovo 14W Gen 2 features a 720p HD front-facing camera with dual microphones to help teachers create a more immersive, collaborative environment regardless of where students are physically located. Choose a touchscreen display to add another dimension to the interactive learning experience. Lightweight and durability tested. While at 1.45 kilograms, 3.2 pounds, it's light enough to carry around throughout the school day, the Lenovo 14W Gen 2 is tough and durable. Since it's designed to meet military MIL STD810H and Lenovo ADU spec standards, this laptop is rugged and has what it takes to handle rough and tumble student use. It also has a water-resistant keyboard, reinforced ports, and mechanically anchored keys. It can take what students dish out. Keep unwanted eyes out. The Lenovo 14W is equipped with a front camera privacy shutter that makes it a snap to physically block the camera when you're not using it. Processor AMD 3015E processor, 1.20 GHz, up to 2.30 GHz max boost, 2 cores, 4 threads, 4 MB cache, operating system Windows 10 Pro display 14.0 inches HD, 1366x768, anti-glare, 220 nits memory, 4 GB DDR4, 1600 MHz battery, up to 13.5 hours *, MM18.